how to open your Huntington Bank online. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can open your Huntington Bank online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Huntington Bank website on your laptop or PC and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on banking. Now click on compare checking accounts and apply. After that, scroll down and click on apply now. After that, there are some requirements that you must follow. Then scroll down and here if you are already a Huntington Bank user, then click yes. If not, then click no. Over here, you have to write your information and tap on continue. Then you will be asked to fill in all the necessary information in order to create your account. And once you fill all the necessary information, your account will be opened. So that's how you can open your Huntington Bank online. That's all for this video.